Hi guys, welcome back again with me, Julia channel. I'm so happy today because many people recommend me for make a video tour, basically room tour for me because I stay at Jakarta in Indonesia actually for a long time, and this is my happiness for you, for me, for share my room to you. So guys, let's begin for maybe comment below for another reaction, but this is not a reaction, this is a room tour for me. Maybe will be your recommendation for list or below list for maybe vacations or staying alone or business trip to Jakarta. So it's your time. Yeah, I have the mini box refrigerator. I have two of Coca-Cola. And also it's the beginning. Yeah, I have two cup for heater, and also the toast for hot tomorrow. Yeah, it's my mini bar, and also in a bag you can take the some of water because in Indonesia the water is very cheap. It's very cheap. And absolutely, it's like mini gaps for you save your dress, your pants in here. Another, yeah, I don't know why the building is like this, but it's so amazing for me. It is sliding for going through my toileter. Like this, but I take the copper or Indonesia say, but you cannot going through before you move this luggage brake, and then you can slide it like this, slide it out for from here. It is manual, a big frame for me. Basically in Indonesia everyone so loving with the big crane, but I don't know why. I'm so scared if you know that wonder I stay alone here. Make me scared, but it's okay. From my mini bar we going through to my living room. Like this. It's my living room. They have go through the television in here front of you, and a big sofa, and also intermediate sofa in here. I'm so thirsty. So I'm going so for a drink. Good. So I love Coca-Cola so much. In Indonesia it's very cheap. The Coca-Cola in Indonesia is or Jakarta in everywhere in Indonesia is very cheap because I don't know, the demand of Coca-Cola is so many people want to drink Coca-Cola or not, but I don't have a survey for this. But it's compared to Singapore or Malaysia or Thailand, Indonesia have the cheapest Coca-Cola price. Yeah, it's my living room. They have carpet, but it's too cold, so I'm sorry. It's so messy. Like this, and you have the artistic lamp here, and also sorry, I just using this because I living in Indonesia too long, and also this amazing architecture carpet and sofa. Mega, it's good. I have in here I have big television, so I going through here for take a nap, and like this working with my mic and also Coca-Cola, and going through for night for television. It's live. I allow for Japanese and dining. Any plus, not indoors, right? Like this. It's so small. Going through in my desk. I have Nouveau family, and I have my stuff for it's my ever stuff. I have permanent for my transaction because I go for working in restaurant. They have the bank permanent like this. Yeah. Yeah, also in here they have the hanger lamp here. They have two. And my bedroom is big. It is king size. And my living room, my mic, and also it is home. Yeah, if you're sure, I have two cabin here. In my right, in my left is the screen, and in my heart or right, it is the toileters rooms. So we go through here. Yeah, I have the big again here, and it is slide up. I just saw you that before. Yeah, but if yes, I can remove this from here to others, so I can going for sliding or like this. And so it's my toilet. Yeah, I have the foot toilet. Yeah, I have for my facial care, body care, also the eye drops like this. Yeah, it's nice. Normal. And then what I get again, yeah, a stroke for my living room. It's not. I'm so grateful for living here because it's so amazing places, and I have the recommendation for my friend. They have many of recommendation for when you are living in Indonesia in Jakarta. So I guess you in here. Yeah, I take this and then going through for another rides like this. So guys, thank you for following my room tour in here. I'm so happy for sharing it to you because this is for your recommendation when go to Jakarta or Indonesia. Actually in Jakarta, basically for a business or yeah vacation or family moving like this. Yeah, I just happy for sharing it. So if you want to me replay your recommendation or do you have question for me, don't be shy, just direct message me actually. So let's go begin for the next video. See you.